Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video on the only thing I could get from the Colourpop RawbeautyKristi collab. It is the eyeshadow palette. If you guys want to see how this goes, then let's go. So if you guys haven't heard, if you haven't seen the video where I was talking about this, RawbeautyKristi is a YouTuber and she has a collab that just came out with Colourpop. It's like a whole collection, but again, I was late on the launch, so the only thing I could get was the eyeshadow palette. Definitely a cool YouTuber to check out. Very creative if you like watching people turn themselves into different stuff, especially like during the Halloween time. She is pregnant right now, so there wasn't much of that this year, but it's okay because she's pregnant. Just again, want to pinch her cheeks. Definitely a cool YouTuber to check out if you like that type of creator. So when I saw that I could still at least get the eyeshadow palette, I got it. So it's called At Forest Sight. The whole collection is themed, you know, very much her. Like, she's very nature person, very animal friendly, stuff like that. So open it up. This is the actual palette packaging, and then this is what the palette looks like inside. And inside, ooh, we already know it wouldn't be me. Inside just says no RawbeautyKristi Colourpop. So I have hope for this palette. One, because like I said in the Let's Talk new releases, Kristi, she gonna come with that depth that we need, and because again, she is someone who experiments a lot with color and stuff like that. You know, Colourpop, some of their palettes be making me side eye a little bit how they're gonna show up on me, so I've got hopes on this palette. Let me take this shade Puffball right here. There's something in my eye, and I'm just gonna put that up here into my brows. And then this brown one, Homegrown, slightly under it. Palette doesn't have a mirror, so I'm just using Neon's palette so I can see, because I also can't find the Miss Piggy mirror. And then some of this green shade, Emerald City, out here and into my crease. Can you see that? Ooh. I'm gonna take this gold shade West Coast as my first lid color. Y'all already know about those shimmers, so. And then you see that little gap between the two colors. I'm gonna fill that with this green Fiddlehead and just start applying it in between. And then out here, I'm gonna use this shade Pawn. And just like that, my face is pretty much done. I'm gonna use this shade Amanita. There's a little asterisk next to it. I'm not sure what that means, but okay. I'm gonna use that shade as my bottom lid color. So that is it for my face today. I'm feeling my face. Okay, I feel like my eyes are giving very fall. I like the little jewel tone that I've got going on with this eye look. Thoughts on the palette. I think I used everything except four shades out of the palette. Those transition shades, they weren't giving what they needed to give. Okay, I feel like they don't look the same on my eyes as they do in the pans. Like I've been saying, at this point I'm not surprised. From Colourpop, like, y'all give us like one transition shade that works on our skin tone, like just one. I thought, you know, like that one would do something, but like I feel like it didn't look like this color on my eyes. But everything else that I use, like the actual, you know, like color shades, those are pigmented. Those show up well on my skin. They blend nicely together. The shimmers are, well, the shimmer that I use is doing what it has to do, which that doesn't surprise me from Colourpop, especially, you know, like their super shots, their shimmer, stuff like that. Those are always pigmented. Those are always nice on the eyes. It's those pressed glitters, pigment, whatever things that I despise. I hate when they are in palettes, because like this is taking up space that you could have put with a different shadow that performs better. So their shimmers don't surprise me in their palettes. Overall, nice affordable palette, nice fall friendly palette, like actual fall friendly, because a lot of people are talking about how a lot of the palettes coming out right now, they're very pink, they're very spring, they're very summer. My answer whenever anyone says that is like, it's probably because it's a palette that was supposed to come out like earlier this year, but with COVID, everything is just up in the air with everything in every industry. So that's probably why they're putting it out now, but like this is actual like fall palette. It's in partnership with Kristi, so it's like if you're buying for that part of it, like just to support, like you're not gonna regret getting this palette for that. You know, you're being supportive, it's affordable, it works well for the most part. You're gonna have to find like some other transitions if you're my shade, but I feel like we know, like we're used to that by now. We shouldn't have to be. We know that. That's for a different video. But yeah, those are my thoughts on this palette. Kind of bummed out. Everything else from the collection was sold out when I picked this up. I don't know. I'll see if they're back in stock. I was interested in some of those. What were they? No, they were eyeliners. Yeah, they had like a matching set that had like green, kind of that mustardy type thing. I'm gonna go back, see if that's still in stock. But yeah, if you guys were interested in my thoughts on Kristi's collab with Colourpop on the palette, those were it. I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.